Hi, my name is Juan Gutierrez, and I'm going to explain to you in a few minutes how you can solve this problem. It says that we need to add 6/5 plus 1/4. Okay, so let me explain. The first thing that you need to see is that the denominator is different in this fraction and in this fraction. So you cannot add it like normally. Normally you can add the numerators and keep the denominator. But in this case, they are different. So the key to solve this problem is to find the LCD. What it means LCD? Least common denominator. It means that you need to find a number that is common to both fractions, but it needs to be the smallest one. How are you going to do this? Well, it's very easy. The only thing that you need to do is to find all of the multiples of both denominators. In this case, we're going to find the multiples of 5 and the multiples of 4. I did put it in here. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, etc. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. Now, you need to pay attention. What are we looking for? We are looking for the least common denominator. We are looking for a denominator that is common to both of them, 4 and 5, but it needs to be the smaller one. So we can see that the first number that is common to both numbers, both denominators, 4 and 5, is what? 20. I want to circle them in here. 20. 20 is the least common denominator for 4 and 5. So the idea is to change both fractions into a denominator that has the 20 at the bottom or as a denominator. How can you do this? It is very easy. Look at the number 5. How many times you needed to seek for a multiple to find 20? Well, you needed to find 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the fourth multiple of 5 in order to have 20. So you need to multiply the number 4, the number 5 by 4 because it's the fourth multiple. But since you need to find an equivalent fraction, whatever you multiply at the bottom, you need to multiply it at the top. Numerator and denominator. So you need to multiply by 4. Yes, 6 times 4 and 5 times 4. That makes 24 out of 20. I'm going to write it in here. Then you need to find the least common denominator for 4. We're going to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the fifth factor, the fifth multiple. So number 4, denominator, you need to multiply by 5. But in order to multiply by an equivalent fraction, you need to multiply, you need to multiply by 5 in the top and in the bottom. How much is 1 times 5? It is 5. How much is 4 times 5? It is 20. Now that you have a common denominator, you can add 24 plus 5 equals 29, and 20, it stays the same. The answer is 29 out of 20. Is this the right answer? Yes. Is this your best answer? No. You can find a mixed number since this is a what? An improper fraction. How do you do this? I need to move really, really fast because I cannot spend more than 5 minutes. So the only thing that you can do, one of the things that you can do to change this improper fraction to a mixed number is to divide. 29 divided by 9. This is a division. How many times the number 20 fits in 29? Just one time. 1 times 20 equals 20. And then you subtract 29 minus 20. And the remainder is 9. That means that this number, 29 over 20th, it is an improper fraction, and you can convert it into a mixed number. How can you do that? The answer is the whole number. In this case, it's just one whole, and the remainder is 9, 9 20th, 9 over 20. This is the best answer that you can have. Again, 29 out of 20, it is a good answer. One whole and 9 20ths is the best answer that you can get. Thank you very much.